Good morning, YouTube. We are here at Alamo City Harley-Davidson in the gorgeous San Antonio, Texas, and today we're with Team Bradley test riding the Softail Slim. Now this one has a little bit of custom work done to it, but we're gonna go for a test ride real quick. I was gonna hop back on the Road Glide because that's one of my favorite bikes, but they took it, so I'm gonna be riding the Trike today. Oh boy! All right, let's go. I don't want.
You don't even know.
I don't even want to prolong this anymore.
Yeah.
Like,
can you ride in front of me this time?
No. Nope.
I want to watch that.
Oh, buddy.
You just look. I need a camera right now on mine. You just look.
Stupid.
Yeah. I mean, it's oddly fitting, but for like many wrong reasons.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm comfortable as shit right now.
I was like, I sat on it just a second ago, and oh my god, that seat. Dude, I can't get enough of this right now. Oh my god.
Oh god. All right. Oh man.
I want to see you lean into those turns, bro.
Alright, so let's not take the same route we took last time. Oh god, yeah.
What?
This thing's so heavy. It took so long to slow it down. Oh god, I do not feel comfortable jumping out into traffic right now.
I'm gonna let you take the turn first.
I needed all three lanes.
Oh, this one's got some get up. You just look like you're so uncomfortable. Not like from a comfort perspective, but because you're riding a trike. Like your shoulders are hunched over a little bit. Like I don't know what to do with my hands.
Oh man, this is an experience.
Oh, this is good. All right, yeah, floorboards are definitely different. Oh my gosh. All right.
They're comfortable though, right?
Yeah, they are.
Oh.
I could easily get used to this. Oh, well, alright, I guess we're jumping in front. Thank you, 114.
I just didn't think there was any way I was slowing this bitch down.
So, thank you, 114. You made that really easy.
Oh, God. It takes so much arm strength to turn this thing.
Oh, dude. I'm going to let you have all the fun with that one.
Dude, you should have gotten on the back. Oh god, that would be hilarious.
We'll have to like park it in the beginning, and when we get on it on the way back, I'll get on the back and just tell Hank, yeah, this was fun.
Oh, okay. I'm ready.
Oh, you cannot see this thing in the sun. Oh my boy. Okay, that's gonna be a con right there. Cannot see this thing when the sun's above you. Oh yeah, alright. I'm gonna need a tint or something for this, because that's reflecting right up into my eye.
That's the reason why I don't like anything chrome on my bike.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to black that out. Well, it's not actually, part of it's coming from the chrome, and part of it's actually coming from the plastic itself.
Screen, yeah.
Because I can't see the gauge, like I can't see the miles or the gear indicator or any of that. And that's with my tinted visor and the sun shield drop down. But comfort-wise, I like floorboards already.
Yeah.
I hate that this piece is chrome though. I hate that, hate it, hate it.
The derby, the
whole engine cover. Yeah, primary cover. Like I hate that engine.
Well,
yeah.
Roadblock has one from his quote-unquote wrecked one. It's got one little scratch on the bottom of it, but it's black and it would fit that motor. And
well, that
it's sitting in his junk parts bin right now, so I'm sure he'd give it to you either for free or on the cheap. So keep that in mind.
Selling point number one.
Yeah. Yeah, take it right here. Sorry, I'm gonna block you off because I'm a bike and I can do whatever I want.
You're not a bike, bro.
Okay, I'm a Trike and I can do whatever I want.
There you go.
Dude, look at my reflection. Look at my reflection. My bike looks like it has a Kim Kardashian ass.
I'm never gonna be able to look at these Trikes again.
I feel so dumb, dude. I feel like everyone's looking at me and judging me intensely.
You got like this aggressive helmet and then you're looking on this Trike.
Yep. Oh, performance Trikes. Yep.
I can't.
Yeah, keep looking.
Oh, that's good. I was like, if I keep looking at you, more people are going to look at you. I'm so glad you took that out and I was able to talk you into doing that.
It was kind of just like on the whim, like, screw it. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy. Oh man, and I got cruise control. Oh shit, game on, bro.
Oh, that's something this one does not come with. Alright, so my tiny ass definitely fits pretty good into this slightly wider seat. It's got to be like at most half an inch or an inch on each side compared to the Street Bob.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't notice that.
Well, because like my wallet right here, there's definitely more of my wallet touching the seat than there was on the Street Bob.
Gotcha.
The bars feel almost exactly like my Sportster.
Yep, I knew they would.
So I could definitely use something up here. No vibration in the mirrors, although I didn't adjust these. So far, the only knock I got on it is the reflection off this ring right here.
Yeah, it's only going to be for certain parts of the day, though.
Yeah, it's not going to be a deal breaker by any means. Floorboards, definitely comfortable. It's got the forward controls because of that, so I like that. Oh, that thing is definitely much more nimble than I thought it would be. Yeah, go ahead, do yours, dude. Let's see yours.
I would take that turn, I was like, I just start going off in the other lane, like, oh shit.
I want to hear your review of the Trike after this is done.
God.
I feel like you're going to have to just leave it on the screen at all times. You're going to have the shadow saying, personal preference, personal preference.
Honestly,
it's growing on you, I can tell.
I don't hate it.
I was like, it's growing on you. I can just tell the fact that you're not outwardly complaining about it.
It's not a motorcycle. Like, it definitely does not feel like a bike. But it's so much fun, dude. I feel like I'm riding a four-wheeler on the streets. Like,
yeah.
The only thing it's kind of tripped me out is because, like, with the single wheel in the front, like, you can tell the bike wants to lean, and it's being restricted by the two wheels. So it's almost it almost feels like the frame's like bending. I know it's not, but it gives that perception.
When you took that slight curve coming out of Harley, you actually your upper body was doing that just out of habit, and I was like, that bike's not moving at all.
Yeah, it's all in the arms with this bike.
I like how easy that is.
I will say, no homo, you look better on that one. I think it fits your style better.
It's comfortable. Like, I like this right now. The seat, like I said, is another one of those I would definitely upgrade in the future, but right now I could live with this. And of course I know this is the 114, but
curious if it is or if I'm just like going crazy.
So this is funny, this might be just my personal preference in terms of being maybe a little bit more old school. I like having this speedometer right here.
Oh yeah?
Instead of actually having the digital speed gauge. I don't know why, but I like the speedometer.
That was actually the opinion of a lot of people online when I was looking at reviews.
Like the digital gauge, don't get me wrong, it's convenient. I actually, after the first couple miles, I got used to it.
Yeah.
But I don't know, there's something about the needle. I like that. All right, let's see if I can hit a couple bumps and see how it handles that. Oh, I didn't feel that one at all. I
feel all of these.
Oh, okay, well that was more of a dip than a bump.
Yeah, that was huge.
Oh, that one kind of hurt. But it's definitely more nimble. Hit a couple of these. I'm barely feeling any of that.
That's so rough.
Oh! Did you stand up on that?
Yeah, I stood up on that.
Okay. Because I saw the bike it's really easy to stand up on this right now. Although it's hard to stay standing up because the width of the tank right there.
Yeah.
I'd have to get on the back of the floorboards.
I'm glad you do, because I had no earthly idea where I was earlier.
I haven't been down this way in forever, but I know the area somewhere. We should be coming up near my neighborhood.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You got a little close to that guardrail there.
I even slowed way down too, and I just feel my front tire just skidding, and I started going straight. I was like, oh.
I just saw you in the rear view. I was like, you got a little close there, bud.
Yeah, it's weird, because you gotta remember you're over a foot wider than you're used to.
This one's got condensation inside that lens.
I did notice
right
that.
Here.
That's pretty, I've seen quite a few of them with that.
What colors did the Slim come in again?
I have no idea. And my feet don't have to be down. Look at this.
Oh, okay, I will say that I'm a little jealous of that. That's kind of cool.
Look at me.
This thing is barely rougher on the gear switches than the Street Bob, but they also have, this is a stiff ass, like it's a brand new bike, so that makes sense, but this is a really stiff gear shifter.
The gear shift on this thing is weird. I feel it shift in the clutch lever. Dude, this thing in the hill country would be terrifying.
I'm gonna look at this, and anytime I see somebody up in the twisties with one, I'm gonna have a whole lot more respect for them.
Oh yeah, me too, for sure.
God, I like
new
this.
understanding.
Going back to, again, passenger pegs would be great. It's right there.
Yeah.
But I do like the boards. I would want a crash bar or highway pegs on this, but the boards make a world of difference.
I told you. It's a whole new comfort aspect.
God, that back end just wants to kick out. Yeah,
Hey, I'm good.
You got a line of cars behind you?
I don't give a shit, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna take the lane. I was like, you gotta blow by me.
Full tuck. Full tuck.
Oh my god, if I had a camera right now.
Shirt's all coming up and shit.
Oh god. Coming over.
I got the whole damn lane, bud. It's all yours.
Oh my god. Oh god, this is just fun. Okay.
So far, what's winning?
Comfort all around.
No, I mean like between the two bikes, what is winning?
Oh, the more expensive one.
Of course.
Yeah, this one with some change to the bars. I do would do a different seat over time, but bars, windshield. So I feel more wind on this one than I did the Street Bob.
I agree.
I definitely feel more wind resistance on this one, so I would probably prioritize a fairing in my top 3. I'd probably do bars, fairing, and exhaust in my top 3 on this one. The seat could wait. It's not going to be a priority because my tiny butt fits right into it.
Gotcha.
But I would want something that's either got like a fold up or fold down, or a bigger back end support like the one you have on the Dyna. Floorboards, a win. I would want a crash bar or something. Passenger pegs.
This is going to be a good test too because this road's bumpy as
This thing's taking it pretty good though. Like, I feel more in my truck than I do on this thing right now.
I don't even want to talk about it. Oh my god.
I was like, hey, you know how we said these the mirrors don't vibrate?
Yeah.
You're vibrating, bro.
Bro, yeah. I'm definitely vibrating. Oh my god. Not only do you get the up and down, you get the side to side.
Oh wow, that's got to be a unique
so
experience.
Strange.
For like, this bike is definitely thicker. For as thick as this is, it's really comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna have to want to buy this bike. I might end up going with a different color.
Walk in and be like, Hank, run the numbers.
Don't run them.
Just run the numbers.
But I definitely want to see just like what other color options there are. Black's not bad, but I might want to mix it up a bit. Hey, how you doing back there?
We're pretty bumpy, man. I'm getting sloshed around like a sled after the big storm, you know?
Yeah, the first sun after a big snow.
Oh yeah, just hitting the treetops, man. Feel like a hoser.
You're clear on both sides. So you can tell the suspension on both the Street Bob and these and the seats obviously are better because my back would have already kind of somewhat been feeling it, like with the Sportster right now.
Yeah.
But I'm good.
Good? How good are you?
Very good.
Oh shit, turn.
I was gonna say, on a normal bike, it's like, oh shit, something in the road. Oh shit, it's a turn.
It's a turn. Oh, we'll say the seat on this thing though is fantastic.
Yeah, I plopped my butt in it for that split second, and yep. Hey man, that's starting to fit you more and more.
Off. Oh god, there's a guy over there with a freaking naked sport bike. Look, he's like, wow, look at this guy.
I'm just gonna go ahead and say he didn't wave to me. He's like, look at that fucking Trike.
Yeah. I will say this 107 heats up a lot more than the other ones did.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
I wonder if it's just you got so much surrounding it in terms of like metal and fabrication, and
it's also pulling a lot more weight, so it's working harder. Oh shit. I hit that manhole cover halfway through.
I was gonna say, usually you only have to worry about 2 wheels hitting something, but you gotta worry about a third one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this wide.
Oh man. I really expected to hate this thing. And I
was gonna say,
and I do.
I told you.
But I hate it for all the wrong reasons. Where are you going, bud? I need to go right where you're sitting. Alright. So we want to go till right? Hank to run the fucking numbers?
Let's fucking run the numbers and see what we
fucking
get.
run the numbers.
Let's see what we get out of it. Even seen his on and turning them off.
Oh, turn them off. We're dead.
Yeah.